Hey, I'm Dave from Power Probe.
And I'm the other Dave from Power Probe.
So Dave is not only the other Dave, he's the original Dave, and developed a tool called the PPFUSE or the Fuse monitor that we came out with a little while ago. Dave, what problem were you trying to help technicians diagnose with that Fuse monitor?
Well, with newer cars, I mean, in the old method, when I was tracking down a parasitic drain, it was all about pulling fuses and watching the overall drain drop, hopefully. But with newer cars, you didn't want to pull fuses. It can reset your problem sometimes. So I was trying to figure out a way to figure out how much current was going across the fuse without pulling the fuse. Years ago, we originally developed these fuse charts so I could take a millivolt reading with any multimeter and then convert that to a current reading. Then we decided to just install that in a tool. Our first tool that had it was the DM300 auto meter, but we decided to pull this function out into a standalone tool, the PPFUSE or Fuse monitor, and it actually makes it much more efficient and quick to use.
So that's been part of the feedback I was going to ask you about. You know, it seems like techs have had this ability to do this, but this does it more efficiently. Is that what you're saying?
Correct. One, it's a single handhold. I'm not messing around with a couple of meter leads. I've got a nice light that illuminates the fuse area as I'm testing. All I've got to do is hit the fuse test points. And to me, the important part at this end of the tool, it'll signify if it's an open, active, or inactive fuse. So I can quickly go down a row of fuses, inactive, inactive, inactive. I only care about ones that say active. Those are the ones that are going to have current going across it. Then I can get my reading to see if that's my problem circuit or not.
So we think it's a pretty great idea. I mean, I can see where technicians would gain efficiency with it, but what are techs saying about it? Are we getting any feedback from the street?
We are seeing some feedback, comments online from our videos, and feedback we're getting directly. It's apparently, the goal was to speed up your diagnosis to find that circuit as quickly as possible.
Any accuracy issues, anything we're seeing with that? Well, you know, is this really that reliable?
You'd be surprised. I mean, it was all based on the inherent tiny milliohm resistance that each fuse has, but you'd be surprised compared to inline results, they are amazingly accurate.
So speed, accuracy, all in a small tool that really improves technicians' efficiency. We're kind of proud of it. We're pretty proud of Dave for bringing the idea to Power Probe and helping technicians out.
Great. If you want to see more about these tools and other tools to help you on parasitic draw, check it out at powerprobe.com.